Hey, what's going on, guys? In this episode, I'm going to show you how to turn this avocado from the pit into a tree. Let's get started. Alright guys, the first step in this process is extracting the pit. So this is a pretty simple process. I already have taken the head out, but you're just going to slice down and around the avocado and simply take your pit and wash it off with some water. That's what I have here. Here's my pit. Now this is an example of what you want it to look like. You have 4 toothpicks suspended over water, and this cracking is showing the root right here that is starting to come out of the bottom. That shows your seed is viable and it is going to sprout up in about another week. So we're gonna let this one rest here, and I'll show you how I do it with this avocado. The one thing to know, avocados are more tropical fruits. They won't tolerate anything colder than 40 and they may die off. So you're gonna wanna make sure to bring this in the winter if you live in a zone 9 up. So that's anywhere from around South Carolina up. You'll need to bring them inside during the winter. But you can still grow them and grow them outside during the summer. So I'm gonna get into how to set this up and be back. All right, we have our materials. You're really only gonna need toothpicks and any cup, plastic, glass, metal, anything will work. I like to use plastic or glass just so I can see the formation of the root like I have in this one. It is around a 4-week process, so from the time you put it into the water till it sprouts a root and its leaves will probably take around 4 to 6 weeks, but once it gets growing, it gets growing. So here's your mango or your avocado seed, my bad, and you want to look at it. This pointer part is going to be the top, and on this bottom you can see there's a little circle with like a dot. That is where the fruit was connected to the tree, and that's where the root's going to come out of. So you want to make sure you get this correct. This is imperative in your success. You want to make sure that this part is on the bottom and the pointer part is sticking up. So that's simple. And these are the fault lines. These lines, you don't want to stick a toothpick through here because this is where the avocado is going to split. So let me show you how to do this. What I like to do is I like to take 4 toothpicks. You can use 3, but I like to think 4 is better. And just make little indentations 45 degrees like that. There's one. I'll take another toothpick. And remember, not hitting the fault lines. Take another, put it in there. Take another here. We'll put it in like that on a 45-degree angle. And we'll take one more on a 45-degree angle just to get the most stabilization here. Okay. Should look something like that. That was kind of okay, but you want to put it in and have majority of it suspended in water. So there's about 2/3 of this suspended in water. You're now going to put it, honestly, in a sunny window. You can put it in a closet. But once it sprouts, it's going to need sun. But you're going to let this sit for 4 to 6 weeks. And eventually, it'll start to split and put out a root. And that's how you know your seed's growing. And you're just going to wait. And I'll be back with the next episode to show you what's next.
Hey.